Welcome to this week's edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Sarepta has shared more safety data for its Duchenne muscular dystrophy gene therapy, Elevidys, in response to a citizen petition to the FDA. While the company acknowledges some deaths, it asserts that the majority of adverse events were non-serious, with the hospitalization rate for liver injury remaining lower than previously reported. Sarepta continues to work with the FDA to address concerns, including the potential addition of a black box warning for acute liver injury. Taysha Gene Therapies has reported strong Q2 2025 results, including updates on its TSHA-102 gene therapy for Rett syndrome. The therapy is advancing toward a pivotal trial, with Phase 1/2 data showing a 100% response rate. Taysha also raised $230 million in a public offering, extending its cash runway through 2028. Enrollment for the REVEAL pivotal trial is expected to begin in Q4 2025. Ocugen has received positive feedback from the EMA regarding the design of its OCU41 OST gene therapy trial for Stargardt disease. The Phase 2/3 trial will be based in the U.S. for both BLA and MAA submissions in the EU, with enrollment expected to complete by Q1 2026. Apertura Gene Therapy has licensed its TFR1 CapX, an AAV capsid capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier, to multiple partners advancing gene therapies for central nervous system disorders. The capsid has shown broad brain distribution and minimal off-target effects in preclinical studies. Nanoscope Therapeutics has published Phase 2 data from its Starlight trial, demonstrating significant vision improvements with its MCO-010 gene therapy for Stargardt disease. The company plans to initiate a Phase 3 trial by the end of 2025. Clotho Neurosciences has begun manufacturing its KLT0202 gene therapy candidate using AA Wienergenes platform. The collaboration aims to improve gene therapy efficacy and safety by streamlining the manufacturing process. In a breakthrough development, a new paper in Diabetes outlines a roadmap for beta cell replacement therapies for type 1 diabetes. The paper advocates for innovative clinical trial designs that incorporate a broader range of participants and outcomes, helping speed up the development of potential therapies. The FDA has delayed the PDUFA date for Regenxbio's RGX-121 gene therapy for Hunter syndrome, now set for February 8, 2026. Although additional data has been requested, no new safety concerns have been raised. Beam Therapeutics' Beam 101 gene therapy for sickle cell disease has received the FDA's Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy designation. This designation will facilitate early interactions with the FDA and expedite the therapy's development toward a potential BLA filing. Abeona Therapeutics has reported strong Q2 2025 results, with updates on its FDA-approved Zavaskin for recessive dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa. The first patient treatment is scheduled for Q3 2025, and favorable insurance coverage and patient access position Zavaskin for a successful commercial launch. ImmunityBio's CD19 CAR NK therapy has achieved complete responses in late-stage Waldenstrom macroglobulinemia patients, part of an ongoing Phase 1 trial. This chemotherapy-free therapy may offer a new treatment option for relapsed or refractory B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma. In South Korea, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety has approved Gilead's Yescarta CAR-T therapy for relapsed or refractory B-cell lymphomas, including primary mediastinal B-cell lymphoma. This approval expands treatment options for this rare lymphoma subtype. Finally, Genentech has walked away from its $2 billion partnership with Adaptive Biotechnologies, ending their collaboration on T-cell receptor-based therapies for cancer. The decision reflects broader changes in Genentech's oncology strategy, though it was not driven by safety concerns. Stay ahead in cell and gene therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.